Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a list of potential rational zeros of a polynomial function. Let's begin. To create a list of potential rational zeros of a polynomial function, we will use the rational zeros theorem. And it states, if f of x is a polynomial function with integer coefficients and p divided by q is a rational number in lowest terms, that is a zero of f of x, then p must be a factor of the constant term a sub 0, and q must be a factor of the leading coefficient a sub n. Okay, now let's take a look at a couple of examples. List all potential rational zeros of the polynomial function f of x. To start, I'm going to list all of the factors of 20. And that will be plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, and plus or minus 10, and plus or minus 20. These are all of the numbers that are going to be in the numerator. Now I'm going to list all of the factors of 1. And I get that 1 from the coefficient of x cubed. The only two factors of 1 are plus or minus 1. And the plus or minus 1 will be in the denominator. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide every factor of 20 by the factors of 1. Plus or minus 1 divided by plus or minus 1 is plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 2 divided by plus or minus 1 is plus or minus 2. And I'm going to continue to divide all of the factors of 20 by plus or minus 1. So if f of x has a rational zero, that rational zero must be one of those 12 numbers. All right, let's take a look at another example. List all potential rational zeros of the polynomial function g of x. So just like the previous example, I'm going to start by listing all of the factors of the constant term, which is 10. And that's plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, and plus or minus 10. And these are the numbers that will appear in the numerator. Now I'm going to list all of the factors of the leading coefficient, and that's going to be 4. And that's plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 4. And these numbers are going to be in the denominator. To create the list of potential rational zeros, I'm going to divide every factor of 10 by every factor of 4. Starting with plus or minus 1 divided by plus or minus 1. And that is going to be plus or minus 1. Then we have plus or minus 2 divided by plus or minus 1, and that is plus or minus 2. And I'm going to divide plus or minus 5 by plus or minus 1, and plus or minus 10 by plus or minus 1. Next, I'm going to divide 1 by plus or minus 2. And that is going to be plus or minus 1/2. Next, I'm going to divide plus or minus 1 by plus or minus 4, which will be plus or minus 1/4. Now I'm going to take plus or minus 2 and divide it by plus or minus 2. That's plus or minus 1, and it's already in the list, so I'm not going to rewrite it. The same goes for plus or minus 2 divided by plus or minus 4. That is plus or minus 1/2. And plus or minus 1/2 is already in the list, so I'm not going to write that number again either. Now I'm going to take plus or minus 5 and divide it by plus or minus 2. And that is plus or minus 5/2. And then we have plus or minus 5 divided by plus or minus 4, and that is plus or minus 5/4. And finally, if we take plus or minus 10 and divide it by all of the factors of 4, those numbers are already in this list. So if g of x has a rational zero, And that 0 must be in this list. And we are done.